NFTs can authenticate real, world goods. Beyond digital art and speculation lies a revolutionary application, using NFTs to verify the authenticity of physical products. This technology is already transforming how we prove ownership and combat counterfeits in the real world. NFTs act as unique blockchain-based digital certificates that connect physical products to the digital world through identifiers like QR codes or RFID chips. They provide an immutable record of authenticity, ownership, and provenance that cannot be tampered with. Smart contracts further automate ownership transfers and payments, removing the need for intermediaries. NFTs are transforming trust and authenticity by serving as digital twins for luxury goods, cutting counterfeit risks for brands like Gucci and Louis Vuitton. In industries like automotive and real estate, NFTs act as unforgeable digital deeds that simplify ownership verification and resale. Dynamic NFTs and tokenization further expand possibilities by tracking product histories and enabling fractional ownership of high-value assets. With global counterfeit losses exceeding $3 trillion annually, NFTs provide a tamper-proof solution for product authenticity. They enable full supply chain transparency and build stronger consumer trust through blockchain verification. The technology is ready now. Businesses that adopt NFTs early will lead the transformation and unlock new value in their products.